Hi everyone, my name is Frederico Aranha, but please call me Fred. Welcome to my course, Understanding Basic Lean Six Sigma Statistics. I am an independent project management and governance consultant, as well as a certified Lean Six Sigma black belt. This course is your first step into understanding statistics applied to Lean Six Sigma. The approach we chose for this course is practical. Most of our videos are Microsoft Excel tutorials on how to create charts and graphics using sample data. Our main objective is to prepare you to work in complex improvement projects based on the DMake methodology, enabling you to perform measurements and analysis with adequate techniques. Some of the major topics that we will cover include a complete module on how to create bar charts, combine them with columns, how to create stacked bar charts, pie charts, scatter diagrams, X-bar control charts, and how to use data analysis tools. An introduction to descriptive and inferential statistics, how to apply basic probability concepts in Lean Six Sigma projects, the different types of histograms, how to create histograms with Microsoft Excel, an overview on normal distributions, normality testing, and normal probabilities. At last, you'll learn correlation and the correlation coefficient, as well as the correl formula. We'll study linear regression analysis, regression tests, and I'll teach you how to display equations in Excel. Most of our videos will be based on Microsoft Excel, so get ready to practice a lot. By the end of the course, you'll have a basic understanding of statistics applied to Lean Six Sigma. From here, take our next course within a Lean Six Sigma Green Belt learning path. I hope you will join me on this journey and learn with me more about how to create essential graphics and charts with Microsoft Excel and apply them to Lean Six Sigma here at Pluralsight.